It's cool, like I wash my face with the blue bomber.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As usual, if this is your first time watching a video from me, hi, my name is Kim. Welcome to my channel. This is my brother DJ. Of course, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I don't want you to miss anything and we're gonna have a good time together. That's if it's your first time, and welcome as well to my family. Now, if this is not your first time and you know you're OG, somebody message me and say, Kim me there from day one, you know, big up your good, nice self. Welcome back. Take love. Did I get love somewhere else? So I didn't mean it like that.
Me
Me don't mean it like that. Come now. Come now. Come now. I don't welcome you now.
Welcome.
Give me some love.
When I get a little bit, you have a ring.
I love you guys so much. So as you can tell already, a whole heap of vibe in the video. Guys, remember this is my brother DJ. So whole heap of vibe we're keeping today. Basically, what today's video is going to be about is we're going to be translating Jamaican Creole songs to English. So we're gonna see whose English is best, right?
I'm best of you.
You look upset. Anyway, guys, of course, keep it locked. Stay tuned. We're gonna have a good time. So, first song on the list: Cake Soap, Vibes Cartel. Cool, like me wash my face with the cake soap. Cool. No. Me no love man, so keep your ear for me. One.
Fuck it, dogs. Hey.
Sing that in English. Let's go. You have to do it from the cool, like wash your face with the cake soap part, you know.
So I have to translate that and make some.
Yeah.
So wait, there are people that call cake soap cake soap. Sure. Oh, alright, me know.
What do they call it?
Alright, ready?
Yes. Go.
It's cool, like I wash my face with the blue bomber. Cool, like I wash my face with the blue bomber.
Do this.
Cool, like I wash my face with the blue bomber. Cool, like I wash my face. I really don't like guys, so please take your eyes off me. Yes, your girlfriend, she's the one that is trying off me.
Are you trying to rhyme?
Hey, go, Iris, go.
Full of water.
Up in the town, there's something another. No.
Stop.
Iris, go.
Me don't even know. Me have water. Alright, you know what? Me don't know hence the name. Okay, guys. So I didn't feel. I understand what I just watched this a while ago. But yeah, unfortunately, I'm one of those persons who will laugh so much that they start crying for some reason. But anyway.
Is it bummer or bomber?
You know what's the ad on TV? It's
It's
blue bomber. I don't know if it's bomber or a bammer.
Oh, one of them, yeah.
I don't think it's bammer. I think it's bomber.
It's
old.
the
It's
blue
bomber.
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 Bomber. But don't say bomber already, so the man laugh on top, so I can't do that.
Alright, so enchanting. Girl, you're enchanting.
Where you go? Baby, your skin's going there.
That's a body so sad. Oh yeah. No, paradise that. Oh. Come here, I gotta get rhythm. Ready?
Let me get
No, the one get the rhythm. Yeah, me hear you. Give him the rhythm right. Ready? Wait. Ready?
Okay. You can't give me rhythm because I guess I go on. You're on the piano or not something there. Give tap. Ready now? Baby, your skin is very smooth, but I like it rough. Baby, your skin is smooth, but I like it rough. And your body is so, and your body is very soft, but I like it rough. Baby,
Yeah.
in between is paradise. In between is paradise. yo, that's the thing.
Let's just step over that, please. Thank you. No comment. We're done. We're done.
Baby, I'm going to go ahead and ejaculate on your belly button. Hey, girl, in between is paradise. In between is paradise.
Thank you. Done.
It might keep us it go.
I see people pausing and playing back that part. Trust me.
That's it go.
it up right. So mark X. 7 days a week.
What?
Full cereal chopper life, yeah.
That's what we start from now?
No? Oh, yeah. Come. Let's go again, right? Ready? 7 days a week, man chop.
Wait a stop. Keep my English word for chop.
Chop?
Yeah. Go through.
Go through. Cutting. Chopping.
Oh no, I cut.
Man cut. No.
But keep on,
Go through. Say you're going through. That's what
but everybody that part that say 7 days a week, man, it's going to chop. With the for people don't say chop.
They say you're going through.
Like say, alright,
proceeding.
So if I tell our friends what they say, go to the chicken. Oh, should I go through the chicken?
No, but you can say.
No, keep on when you check the
proceed. No, but the man when he said chop.
So when I tell this for the proceed the chicken.
But when he said chop, you need him to go.
That have to be. Like you know what I'm saying. We're gonna proceed the chicken. Make sure everybody hear that. We're gonna proceed the chicken. You feel that?
Leave it. Come. Go again.
You feel fine.
You know when you stomp, the camera actually shakes.
Really?
And here when we did that edit the other video, I see. But anyway.
Okay. Let me listen.
No, I want to hear the intro. 7 days a week, man chop. Full cereal chopper life, yeah. Life.
Okay.
Cereal chopper life, yeah. Start from there, so go on.
What's that part? Get that?
Yeah, that's how she
Oh,
was.
I'm supposed to start from then. Girl is saying that she wants to have sex in the back of her Mark X. So she came to me very pantsless. I'm not the kissing type, that's a dapper thing though. Girl is saying that she wants to have sex back in the back of the Axio. So I aim for in between, that is where John should go.
That don't make no sense.
My money is a lot. If she gets impregnated, it is so.
What?
My money is a lot. If she gets impregnated, that is so.
Sing the pineapple to come to know which
my money enough. If she breed, then I saw. Then that's how I
This video has so many highlights when I don't owe me. I got
and that's how I go.
I'm sorry.
I saw you gonna I know.
Alright, let's go. My turn. So we'll do cakes up and enchanting.
Oh, so we should give me bad one them.
Yeah.
So I'll give you one. You know, part of the bicycle. Right to the bicycle, break off. Hey, right to the bicycle. Hey, girl, bend your back. Boom. That thing that no.
From where should I start?
Where go again?
Yeah. You feel that? Do you feel that?
Earthquake? No, you seen.
You didn't feel that?
I just seen.
I know that. It's not an earthquake.
I just seen me
No.
just said.
But feel somebody that watch that video and don't subscribe it. I don't like it yet. I don't drop a comment yet. Go on. We're waiting for you, darling. Welcome. Welcome, sweetie. Welcome. Go subscribe. Thank you. Like it too. You're right. That's something there. Write it. Thank you. Keep watching. Let's go.
Sing drones. Back cartel.
Sing it.
Light up the weed. Oh yeah. Down no day have to cook head. Everyone looking at the sky. And we see the drone them.
What is weed called in English?
Weed.
Marijuana.
Weed.
Marijuana.
I still weed. I find you. Here's what they say. Hey, get me some marijuana. No, get me some weed.
Shut up. You can't tell me. Marijuana is an English term. I lit the marijuana. Oh yes. Sing it, expert. We can't.
There's nothing that they have to cook head.
Brother, there's nothing here for cokeheads. The marijuana that we build on the street is bigger than brown bread. And it brought us to the sky and we saw the drones. You couldn't do better, shut up.
Just tight.
You couldn't do better. You couldn't do better.
6 on 1.
Really
the black green. I can't see the part there.
Weed is incredible and it's as green as Hulk. It keeps me going like the green light bulb.
Which light bulb green now?
No, you have different color light bulbs that you... DJ, you should
Keep
know
on.
this. You can go to these little...
You they really act right?
We can't help it. You can go to like...
Alright, keep me
internet shops
understand.
and
We
buy
understand
different
one
color.
thing of Jesus Christ because we get for that much talking. Sing music down now, the old chair.
Do you guys know the old chair? The old chair I rock?
We give them back now.
Yeah.
Ready? In the morning, girl, yesterday want the dog and God.
Going banana when she leaving.
She will be staggering. So wine for me, yeah, wine for me.
I love how you curve up.
The waistline for me, baby, wine for me, yeah, wine for me. Treat it like a tree and climb for me. Yeah, quitty to the tip on the top. Alright, you have a go right now, cause you're
bad.
This is like
You're
bad.
bad. If you don't know that song, you probably don't know.
Alright, that song for the reading now. Watch for that.
Yeah, let's do that. Alright, so which one to start from?
For the front. Friday. Y'all want me.
The girls want me. They, first of all, I think daggering is an English word.
No, first of all, let's continue.
The girls want me. They call me the daggering god. When I go in on her, she will come out staggering. Girl, whine for me. Whine for me. I love the way you curve your waistline for me.
Yeah.
Baby, ride for me. Ooh. Girl, shut up. Girl, whine for me. Treat it like an ackee tree and climb for me.
Come on. Quint to the tip on the
Okay,
top.
what is quint in English? Squint it to the tip of the top. And then grip me right there between the tick and the talk.
No, between the tip and the top.
Is that tick and top?
Right here.
Oh, shoot, that's in the tip and ooh. Wow, okay. Well, we win. Next, a tree McGill. But yeah. Let's go.
Kim. Brick pan. And we know what we're talking
Do I
about.
have to go to brick part? I have to go brick and brick? We have to say brick
You
and
mean? And they are talking about money, not literal bricks. So you know that if it is English, it is incorrect. No, it is not.
No, because you can
not.
brick is an English word that even if they mean something else.
So you're talking in English, you have too much talking, man.
Brick. You want me to say money? Money on money?
Come on, I said English is fine song.
English is fine. Okay, fine. Brick. Brick on brick. Brick on brick. Money on money on money. When I'm using my strapper gangster phone, no talking is allowed. Do not play with my mother's food. And that's what she said. Him say, don't play with my mother's phone.
But
Do not play with my
I
mother's
substitute
chicken.
for the food, Kim.
They phone no chicken.
Food.
You know chicken.
So you the life food of chicken? Yeah.
Idiot. Don't play with my mother's foul.
Kim, sing a song like that one.
When me I use my strapper phone, my chatting aloud, the ramp with my mother food. And that's a lot of accounts and a few other phones.
You boss something, yeah, man. Something nice song. You think you want to say a song?
We don't know what you said. Talk clear off your ear, properly. Next.
You talk clear, man.
Oh, I'm if you do your back now. Alright. I'm gonna give you one song off the top of my head.
Give the Go-Go Club.
Which song?
Girl, oh you love the touch.
One.
You don't want, are you really?
Girl,
we love so
how
much.
do you like the touch? Sit on the chair that you like.
So much.
So much. When it's back,
You want to back it up like a truck.
would you like to bring it to the back like a truck?
Would you like to reverse like a truck?
Reverse like a truck?
We can't
She
leave that
does
ever.
not want missionary style, you know. Over like that, bend over so. Shut up. Shut up. Okay, we have a banger song for you. Tiebreaker, guys. If he gets one wrong, me win. Ready? Go wine.
No.
Give me the go wine. Oldie but goodie. Go.
Oh, yes, that's how we can sing coming away.
Shit. No, wait, let me think go on hard something.
Give me the,
Wait, who are Idonia? Wait there, where the Idonia sang the name?
yeah, should that. You want to work out too?
No, man. I talk about the boring girl.
Yeah,
There is a clean version to the song.
She can break up. Girl, you a broke breaker.
Yeah, let's go. You're starting right from boring girl part. If you get this wrong, I win. Go!
No boring girls. No boring girls. No man loves a boring girl. We cannot intercourse with boring girls.
Which part of it said that? Oh yeah, go.
Do you see my girl?
Continue.
She can break out.
Into what? Acne?
She is
A breaker. She is what? She is what?
She is a John breaker. Yes. She is a John breaker.
Did you just tell the world that? Are you done?
And I just picked hey, man. She can break out. Yes, she's a John breaker. She is a John breaker. Right. She is. Let's see it, man. Hey.
Ain't nobody
She
singing
is a
with
John
you.
breaker. Breaker. Now she can make John break. She can make John break.
Oh, sing that part, what?
She can make Go,
okay, guys,
go
stop.
harder. You're making me go harder.
Stop.
Go harder. You're
Stop.
making me go harder.
Get up. Okay, guys. I'm done with this guy. Anyway, honestly for me this was loads of fun. I'm really hoping that you guys had fun too. So of course if you like the video and you haven't done it yet, subscribe. Trust me, be nice, you know. Be whole heap of niceness, and a whole heap of niceness yet to come. So subscribe so that you won't miss a beat. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to drop a comment. Team DJ, Team Kim, we could know one up to. Additionally, DJ is gonna be creating his channel really soon, maybe in a couple of weeks.
Very much so.
He's starting out some things right now to get that done. So most definitely you guys can look out for him. He's gonna have his channel as well. Until then, guys, I love y'all. Big up on yourself.
Look out for the future. Yep.
Yeah, man, I'm soon up already.
Very much so. Sold off.
Next video.